Hi viewers, welcome to Universe World. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what is happening in your life right now. So this reading is suitable for the people who are feeling lost, who are not understanding what is happening in their life, who are feeling stuck in their life. It is best suited to such kind of situations, who are facing such situations. So it's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards, and try to choose one card because you have only one life. So go for only one card. Don't go for multiple cards. You will misguided by the messages, or it won't be helpful. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose white pile. What is happening in your life right now? So pile number 1, who choose white pile. Currently what is happening in your life is maybe you have gone through some conflicts in the past. You maybe had some conflicts with your friends, family members or co-workers where you are not ready to get compromise. No one is ready to compromise. Here what currently is happening is finally you are thinking to compromise. Both the parties, no matter how many people are involved in this, all are putting their swords down and they try to understand each other. At least they are thinking to compromise. Instead of continue this battle, they are thinking to compromise, and they are like in the past you may be not ready to sit and talk, because whatever conflicts is there, if we sit and talk, most of the 80 to 90% of the problems will be solved by sitting and having good talk. Maybe it is not happened in your case, in your situation in the past. Finally, whoever involved in this, there are multiple people is there. Everyone is understanding that to resolve these conflicts, you people should sit and talk about the matter, whatever you are regarding what you are fighting. Based on that, you will take the decision, because here this situation is creating a lot of tension for everyone, whoever involved. You see, battle, war, conflicts, these are the things which will create mental tension, stress. It won't do any good. They will create more stress, which will affect our day-to-day life. We can't even concentrate on other things, other parts of our life. So here, no matter what area of your life you are going through this conflict, whether it is a workplace, whether it is your personal life with your family, finally everyone is try to understanding, and they got to know that they need to sit and talk with each other so that they can come to one conclusion which can help them to move in their lives peacefully, coming out of this conflict at least. Because I think it is happening from past few days or months. It depends on the situation. So here I think one person is already won the battle. They are kept all the swords, but the thing is here, maybe you are that person. You may won the battle, but the thing is still, if you are a winner also, here in this situation, if you win also, you will be a loser. That kind of situation. Maybe it is a family matter, I can say, because with family or friends, we may think that we win that battle, finally we won that battle, but the thing is we lose our people. who we thought very precious. So that is one kind of loss. It is no more winning. So here this person, whoever won that battle, they are understanding that either it is you or the people who involved in it, because here there are multiple people, is there 3 people at least. So one person is already won that battle and they kept all the swords with them, so that no one can try to, now no one can have that guts to threaten them or dare to harm them. Maybe they may be having some kind of misunderstanding, because here 2 people are gossiping about this person, one person. So because of that, this one person, whoever involved in this, there are 3 people, 2 people are gossiping about this person. So this person having that swords, so that they are ready to cut the people who ever try to harm them or whoever try to hurt them, try to blame them, whatever. They don't want to give that chance to anyone. And these 2 people also, it is like they lost the battle. But here this person, whoever that one person who felt that they won the battle, currently they are feeling that winning also, they are feeling like a losing, because they lost the people. Whether they are good people or bad people, that's a different story. But here this person is feeling that loss of that people. So here I can say, now you take as it resonates, who is that one person who won the battle, who is that other people who are gossiping about this person. It is depends on your situations. So here finally, you all people, at least this person, whoever won the battle, they want to, it is not giving up, they just want to come to one conclusion based on whatever you discuss. They want to talk, they want to clear the things, if at all anything is there, they want to clear the air between you people. They want to come to the conclusion. So that based on that, whether it should be continued or if at all it is really not going to work out, they are ready to move on. Everyone can move on. Everyone can move on in your own paths. Because here, because of these conflicts, whatever is happening, no one is happy. Everyone is stressful, feeling stressful. Swords means one kind of mental pressure. So currently this is what happening in your life, pile number 1. Now you suit this situation, which area of your life it is happening. So finally, anyway, what area of your life is, that is also okay. Here finally you are going through some mental tensions, mental stress because of some conflicts with your own people, whether they are co-workers or family or friends. Finally, currently it is coming to some ending. This conflict is going to end. And now they will be there in your life or not there in your life. It will depend on how you people will take the decisions. It depends on opinions of each other. Whether you want to continue that, whether you want to go on your own paths. So anyway, finally you are coming out of that mental pressure, I can say. Whatever will happen, one more thing, here, whatever you are doing right now, pile number 1, you are doing good. The decision, whatever you are taking, is a good thing, because with these battles, you won't get anything, they won't get anything. So ending this is very good thing. What I want to tell you is, I don't think these people are good for you, because they are gossiping about you. If they are your people, they never gossip about you. So here you need to understand whether you need to trust them again or not. It is very important for you. Based on that, you can take the decision. Because I don't suggest that to keep such kind of people in your team, no matter whether they are your family, friends, co-workers. You should have honest people. I always tell, no matter if you have one person also, that should be honest person. If you're not finding any honest person, nothing wrong, be alone. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is your best friend. So I don't think these people are honest with you, because they are, no one will back bitch you. Yeah, if they are good, they won't back bitch. They won't do back bitching. Here they are doing it. So now, anyway, you are coming out of these conflicts. You are getting some resolution, peaceful resolution, I can say. So let's move on to pile number 2, which is yellow pile. So what is happening in your life currently, right now? So pile number 2, which is yellow pile. So currently, right now in your life, you may be lost some passion, hope. You maybe had so many ideas to start something new. You may be waiting for some new beginnings in your life, where you want to implement your ideas to get successful, whether it is a work or relationships. So right now you are not feeling that passion. In the past, you maybe had so much passion. You may be so much passionate about that new beginnings, that ideas. You are very much passionate and very much enthusiastic and very much interested to start something, and felt very energetic, that motivated. Currently, right now, you are lost all those things. You are not feeling motivated. You are not having that passion to do something in your life, to start that new beginnings or start something new or implement those ideas, whatever ideas you had. You are no more feeling that passion towards your life, I can say. It is not just one area of your life. It is like you lost passion or motivation to live your life. You are not feeling any kind of inspiration also. I think you are not finding any right person to inspire you or to motivate you. Maybe in the past you maybe had some situation or people around you who used to motivate you, where you used to feel motivated, where you used to feel passionate towards things, whatever you are doing. Currently you are not, you may be lost or you are out of that circle. No matter what, but here you are feeling unmotivated, not passionate. Still you have that ideas, still you want that new beginnings, but the thing is, you are not feeling motivated. You don't want to put that energy, you don't want to show that strength. You lost that interest simply. You are not feeling interesting about those things. In the past, you are very much interested in that. Now you know the reason why you are not feeling interested, or why you are lacking that interest. What made you to feel demotivated? That you need to concentrate. So here, what I can suggest to you is, whatever happened, it is a life. It will go on. You should start thinking positive, because here you lost that motivation, that hope, everything. It is not a good state of mind, I can say, because it is common. We will be having people, we lost people, we will be having jobs, we lost that career, projects, jobs, whatever. Life is like coming and going, getting and losing. So what happened in the past is different. You need to concentrate on yourself, I can say. the ideas is there. Whatever new beginnings you want, it is a good thing because you are expecting something new in your life. Nothing wrong in that. But the thing is, you should need that passion. You need that passion to do all these things. So it may be delayed for some time because you lost that passion. Take your time. Nothing wrong in that. You don't need to work continuously 24 by 7, 365 days. Take some time. Spend that time with your family, with your friends, if it is a career related project. Whatever area of your life, okay? Here it is, I am sensing delay. Whatever new beginning you are looking for, I am sensing delay. So in this delay time, instead of wasting this time on overthinking about the things or thinking negative with negative thoughts, wasting your time on negative thoughts, it is better to change your focus on different things which is working in your life. Here it is not working anything. No matter which area of your life, it is not working. If you feel that whole life is not working, then nothing wrong. Then also you can take some break, go somewhere, stop doing whatever you are doing in your life, because anyway you lost that passion. So you no need to push yourself, okay? Because if you do that, you will get into caught up with so much negative thoughts, overthinking. It is a very high chances to get into overthinking, which will affect your mental health. So take a pause, go somewhere, like traveling. Go somewhere, have some journey, go to some new places which you never visited. That will help you, because there you will not worry about your life and all those things, whatever happening in your life and all. So you can, at least you will have some time coming out of these thoughts, this lack of passion, demotivation, negative thoughts, overthinking. Here I am not sensing you are doing overthinking, but if you continue in this state, it will become. Because this delay, you should not waste this time. Use this time wisely by going out, visiting some places which you never visited. Don't go to same old places. You feel again lack of passion. So go to some new places which you never visited. It will make you you will get some excitement. You feel something new. So do something new, I can say. Whatever you are doing, change your routine. If you are doing something as a routine, change that routine and do something new which you never done. Or try to learn something new. That is also keep you busy, or change your focus. That's what. Clearly it is like change your focus from things which are not working to things which are working. Or if you think that nothing is working, then do something new. Try to do something new. It is here, if I say that here no new beginnings, it is not about, here you had some ideas. For that, delay is there. If you want to do something new, like learning something new, going somewhere, there is nothing delay is there, that you can do it easily. Okay, that area you can, if you have some currently, if you have new ideas that you can execute, which you can execute immediately. You don't need to wait for time, that such kind of ideas you can implement immediately. These things are about old things from the past, whatever you were carrying from the past. In the past you maybe had some ideas, some new thoughts about new beginnings. That is having some delays. You need to face some delays to implement those ideas, to get that new beginnings. So start something, do something different, I can say. Just change your focus from the part of life which is not working to other which is working. So let's move on to pile number 3, which is red pile. So what is happening in your life right now? So pile number 3, who chose red pile? What is happening in your life is it is a high time to make some decisions which will have long term impact on your life, and that decisions whatever you are making, that should be done fairly. It is a justice card, so you should follow some values, whatever it comes. You should be fair. Whatever decisions you are making, you should be very fair. It is happening in your life currently. I think it is a very high time for you to take that decision or make the decision in your life which will affect your life. You will have huge impact on your life based on this decision. But you cannot avoid. You need to do that. You need to make the decision. It is a high time now. Justice means it is a high time. You need to do it. So here you should consider everything clearly. Where you should think about everyone whoever involved in that situation. Whatever decision you are making, you should consider everyone whoever involved in that situation, and you should try to, that's what it is like. You should be fair. You should make right decision, because it will have that impact. You will be affected by this decision. Your whole life will be affected. So I can say pile number 3, whoever you choose, it is a high time for you. I think you are going through a lot where it is very important to make some decisions, and moreover, if at all it is not regarding you, if at all you are not making any decision, there is some other way. Justice is happening in your life. Our universe is finally giving this justice to you. Maybe you are waiting for so long, whether you are waiting or not, because justice means simply karma. If you've done good things in your life, it is a high time that universe need to give that justice to you for your good karma. So they will give you something good. They will bless you with good things in your life. They will give that justice, whatever you did, that good karma. At the same time, if at all you did some bad things, that bad karma will be there. So you need to go through that bad karma. Even in the case of bad also, universe will make you to go through that karma. It is depends on your deeds in the past deeds. Whatever you did in the past, based on that you will receive the karma. So now you take as it resonates. Whether you have so many good karmas in your life, so be happy that you are going to receive that blessings, abundance, whatever good things you did in the past. If at all you have bad karma, prepare to learn the lessons, okay? Because you may be going through a lot when you are facing karma, bad karma. But the thing is here, universe is not trying to give you pain. It is simply the universe want to teach you some lessons which are very important, so that you can live a better life. So if you are receiving bad karma, don't feel bad. Don't feel sad, bad or painful. Instead of concentrating on your pain or suffering, concentrate on lessons, what it is teaching you, what you need to learn from that pain, what you need to learn from that suffering, so that with that experience you can make your life better. In the coming days, you can lead a better life. whoever there in your life, treat everyone fairly. Injustice is totally multiple messages here I am receiving. One is karma, whether you do it or not, universe will take care of it. So based on that karma you will receive it. Now you take as it resonates based on your situation. Okay, if it is making some decision, if you are in a situation where you need to make the decision, it is a high time that you need to make. So you are struggling to make the decision, I can say right now in your life you are struggling to make a decision, but it is a high time you need to do that. And whatever decision you are making, be fair in that, be loyal to yourself, be honest with yourself as well as people who involved in that situation. Whatever decision you make, it should be fair judgment. It should be like a fair judgment. You should not take sides of people. You should be balanced. It should be balanced. So before making any kind of decision, see the pros and cons, see the good and bad, and then make the decision, because it will have long-term impact on your life. So as I said, if it is a karma, if it is good, you are going to feel happy, because universe is going to bless you with lot of abundance, happiness, happy moments. If it is bad, get ready to learn the lessons. So let's move on to pile number 4, who chose blue pile. What is happening in your life right now? So pile number 4. So what is happening in your life right now is you are in resting mode. If at all you are not, take rest, because it is a high time. You need to rest. You need to take rest. Maybe you worked hard. You are doing lot of stuff in the past. You need to remind yourself that it is a high time to take rest. No matter what you are doing currently, pause that and take rest. You need it. No matter whether you are a healthy person also, you are a very active person also, you need to have some rest. Maybe you are overly worked, or you may be not understanding that, because here it is like taking rest from your day-to-day life, or if at all you gone through some difficulties in your past regarding some betrayals, heartbreaks, any kind of wounds which made you painful, where you suffered a lot. So it is like healing card. The 4 of Swords is like a healing. It's like taking rest. Healing means, it doesn't mean that if you have wounds you need to heal. If you have mental health issues you need to heal. It is like healing means, see, in our routine also we do lot of stuff. We work continuously, not taking breaks. We will get tired. So that is also one kind of healing. You need that break to heal your body, which is restless, feeling restless. So different kind of feelings. Taking rest. Here it is purely taking rest. If at all you had any kind of pains also, past pains, in this resting mode you can come out of this. You can heal those pains. If you have any kind of heartbreaks, if you have any kind of wounds, this resting period will help you to heal all those things. So no matter what you are doing right now, whether you are working or not working, what you are busy with, it is a high time to take rest. It is very important you to take rest. So if you are a very busy person like me, you don't want to take rest, still you need to take rest. If you try to do work without taking rest, you are not going to fulfill those tasks successfully. because here I can sense that you need rest. Maybe you are overworked, or your body needs that rest. Your physical body needs that rest. Your mental health also needs that rest. If you get, once you take rest, then you can start your life with new energy. It is like rest and rejuvenate. Pamper yourself. Take time to yourself. Don't do anything. Simply have your free time and spend with yourself. Just don't, if when I say that take rest, don't go out, don't roam with your friends, okay? Then again you will become burnout. You feel burnout, okay? It is like you need to give some rest to your physical body, mental health. If at all you are thinking a lot, it is a high time to give some rest to yourself. Okay, you don't feel guilty, because it is a very common when we are very much busy persons. We always look for some or other work to do. We don't want to sit idle. So when we sit idle, or when we need to sit idle also, we feel guilty. If you want to take break from work also, we feel guilty. I used to feel that. Now I am little bit stop feeling guilty to take rest. I am a little bit changed. Now I am taking rest without feeling guilty. So it is very important actually. We need to do that. We need to take rest. Because when we take rest, next when we start working again, we will be having some new energy. That newness will be there. That activeness will be there. That energy will be there. That we feel that new passion. Because we had some break, no? Some time is there, no? We feel that new passion to put our efforts. If you work continuously without taking breaks, we feel bored, and our productivity will be less compared to. See, we think that actually if we work continuously, we will get good productivity. In the past, I used to think that. But when we take rest and start working again after rest, we will be having good productivity. We can get more with our hard work, with our efforts. If we won't take rest, we feel that we are doing every day, so we can complete the task in so and so time. But the thing is, we forget that we are burning out. We are feeling burning out. We are feeling stressful. We are feeling tired. And because of all those things, we lost that productivity. Whatever we do, we lost that productivity. So it is very necessary to take rest. So here pile number 4, whoever you choose, what is happening currently means you are in the resting position. If you are not, go and take rest. It is a very high time to rest. If you think that you are not doing anything, don't feel guilty. As I said, just have time for yourself. Take rest, that's it. Just eat and sleep. Watch some Netflix, Primes, whatever you want. But don't go even outside, because again you will feel physically tired. It is purely, maybe I think you need to heal something. Sometimes we don't know, we need to heal something in the subconscious mind. So maybe universe want to heal you subconsciously, whatever not healed, which you are not aware of it. That is why now it is high time to take rest, so that universe will help you to heal those wounds which you don't know, which you have in your subconscious mind. So pile number 5, what is happening? So you're working on something, pile number 5 currently. Maybe from past you are working on something. First thing, you are on the right path. Whatever you are working, it is going to work out. You are going to get successful. Whatever you are working on, you are doing. You are putting your efforts. You are doing a lot of hard work, and whatever you are doing, those things are taking you in the road of path of success, to success only. So whatever you are doing, it is working. You may be seeing or not seeing the result as of now, but you are on the right path, and whatever you are doing, it is working. So don't give up. First thing, whatever you are working on, continue working on it. Continue doing that. Okay, don't give up. Here the thing is, Three of Pentacles means working together with other people. You need to gather some more people to do your work, because I think you are alone. You are doing it, whatever you are doing it alone. So because of that, it is time consuming. If you are doing it alone, it will take more time. If you add people in your team, they will help you to complete the project fast. You can complete that whatever work you are doing, you can complete it sooner than what you thought. And moreover, if you have people, there will be different people, means there will be different mindsets, and they will be having different skills. So you can use those skills and mindsets to your project, your work, whatever work you are doing. That skills, their skills also useful to your project. There you can use more skills, I can say, to complete this project. It is completely, it is a work related, I can say. It is a Pentacles, it is a work related. That's why I am telling project. So whatever project you are working on, try to include people in that project. You try to get one team, more people. More means don't go for more than 6, because it will get clumsy. The team should be 4 to 5 people. Never go for more than 6 people. So here have some more people, 1 or 2 people. Add some other individuals who is having skills, who are quick-witted, who can help you to complete the project successfully. And moreover, here if you take people, you can use their skills. If they have different skills which you don't have, that skills you can use in this project. So it will be more successful. So whatever you are working on, it is like a beginning to your success, I can say. Maybe if at all you are starting any kind of new venture, business venture, you are just started, you are working on that alone, it is a good thing actually. You are not going in the wrong way. You are putting your efforts in the right way. But the thing is, to get successful, get complete in a time more effectively, it is better to add some more people in this venture, so that they will help you to complete this project. Take people who can trustworthy, who is honest, who can use their knowledge in a good way, instead of wasting your time and their time. So choose people wisely, because if you go for wrong people as a team, instead of completing project, it will get more delayed. So it is a suggestion that go and hire some team. Okay, go and get the team for the project. But the thing is, before taking anyone in your team, it is very important to see who is eligible to do that project, to help you in that project. Choose people wisely. Choose your team wisely, so that whatever you are doing, that will be completed before the time you expected. And moreover, you can use their talent, skills, and you can get successful also. It is a very good card. You will get anyway, you will get success. But if you have team, it will be more beneficial for you. So if you can afford if you are doing something, means it is not about affording anything. If it is a business venture, means if you 3 to 4 people are working, means whatever they are working, they used to get paid for that, and you will get benefit of their skills. So it is not about offered or not. So just go for the team, I can say. Just don't work alone, go for the team. It will be beneficial to you. So thank you so much for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.